Let's place the topo surface. Um, we're going to the side view to place it. So let's click on the side view in the project browser. And what we want to do is we want to put some reference planes first before we place the topo surface. A reason for that is because the topo surface tool in Revit is underdeveloped, and it doesn't actually um, like to be placed easily. So it doesn't place um, in a straight line, or so you probably need some to create some points for it to attach to. So that's what we're doing. I'm placing 4 reference planes um, in my side view. The reason I've gone to side view is because the topo surface object itself is visible, is turned on in this view, not in the plan views, not in the ground floor plan view. Let's adjust the dimensions a bit. I'm going to hit the escape key to come out of the reference planes placement. I'm going to select one of those and just grab that witness line and drag it to the other and see what the dimension is. 3300. That's fine, I think. I'm happy with that. And if I select this one and do the same, 37. So we can leave it as that. They're round figures. Now what do we need to do to create the topo surface? First thing we need to do is we need to go to the Massing and Site tab. And here you see we've got Mass and we've got Topo Surface. And what we're doing is we are creating a Topo Surface. So click on Topo Surface. The thing to remember with Topo Surfaces is that it doesn't attach itself to the level that you're drawing on. The elevation, which is an absolute elevation, relates to the ground floor level in the Revit project file. So let's just put it at 0, 0, and I can illustrate what happens. So basically what we do is we are placing points. So we place the first point at the intersection of my reference planes, the second point, the third point, and the fourth point. Let's finish the surface. Here in the side view we can actually see it. I can turn on the shading with edges, so we can actually see the side is grey. Now let's click on the section mark and go to the section view. So here we have the section view, and you can see what I mean when I say that the topo surface is actually the level of a topo surface is relative to the ground floor level, which is 0. So you can see that it's actually placed at that point. But we know that our site level is actually minus 1100 from the ground level. So how do we do that? How do we fix that? Let's go back to the site plan. Okay. Now what I want to do is I need to select the site object. I can point to it and click, and it highlights it, and in the ribbon then I can edit the site object. If I select any of these points which were placed before, you notice it says elevation 0. So if you select each one of these, or if you select the whole lot of them, they're actually at elevation 0. Let's just change one of them and see what happens. So I'm going to change the top left-hand corner. I'm going to change that to minus 1100, and I'm going to change this other one down here to minus 110. So 0, 0. So I would expect what we have is we'll have a slope from 0 to minus 110 from the right to the left. Let's finish this and have a look at that in section view again. Okay, so that's what's happened. I'm going to zoom to fit, so you can see that it's going from 0, which is there, and it goes down to -110, which is there, which should be in line with that as well. So to finish this off, we're assuming that it's a flat site of -110. Let's go back to the site view, and let's select the topo surface again, edit surface, and let's just change the other points to -1100. And if we go back to our section view, we should have the site on the correct level. Yep, that's what we do.